Welcome back to Good Morning Boss. Mga boss, kayo ba ay mahilig sa iba't ibang klaseng pagkain? Naku, mukhang magugustuhan nyo itong ni-launch na food hall sa Taguig City.
Hilig talaga ng mga Pinoy ang pagkain at talaga namang patok sa atin ang mga pagkaing may Pinoy ingredients with a twist. Kaya naman kamakailan ay binisita namin ang launching ng isang food hall na matatagpuan sa isang mall sa Taguig.
I think originally when we wanted to bring Todd English, we wanted to bring the celebrity chef, and we know he's very famous and he's very known for his food. We originally wanted to bring his concept olives, but when we visited the Plaza Hotel and had lunch with him at the food hall, we said, this is it. This is the concept to bring to the Philippines. I think it's never been done before, and today.
Cuisine from New York ang tema ng very classy na food hall na ito na mayroong iba't ibang klase ng dish na pagpipilian.
9 culinary stations all throughout. This is 900 square meters of space. We have about 250 seating capacity. Let's start off with the salads, cold cuts, and charcuterie station. We have the wine bar and tapas bar. We have our pasta station where we make all our pastas fresh. We also have our pizza and a wood stone oven, which produces about 650 to 700 degree temperatures to produce the perfect flatbreads. We have the grill station, which produces all our burgers, sliders, and kilo steaks. We also have our sushi bar, which you can have your sushi specialties and sushi malkis and sashimi. And we have a raw bar, which we fly in all our fresh oysters daily. And we have our Asian section for our fried rice, fried noodles, and handmade dumplings. Everything we make in-house. And as you can see, we have a dessert station over here, which features all our desserts, homemade cupcakes, and our moving Ferris wheel.
Mafe-feel mo din ang very comfy at magandang ambience ng lugar.
It's the full experience. I think in the industry today, you have to offer the full experience. It's not just all about the food. It's about the ambience. It's about the feel. So we're bringing New York City to Manila. You don't even have to go that far. We bring you the feeling of New York City and the taste of Todd English.
Ipinagmamalaki ng food hall na ito ang kanilang celebrity chef at ang kanilang customized pasta machine, gayon din ang sarili nilang style ng flatbread pizza dough.
Manufacturer that produces pasta machines to do pasta that, as I felt, is my style. It's just my take on what I think classic pasta should be. Pizzas and flatbreads represent, and really it is about the crust and how it has a certain texture that I feel is exclusive to what we do. Inspiration is about food markets around the world, where you might see in Asia. But, the whole idea is really to elevate it into more of a dining experience. And that's the idea. It's really to come in, it's casual, it's, it's relatively, it's simply well-prepared for food with using sort of common ingredients in uncommon ways.
Kaya naman, para sa mga foodies at gustong maka-experience ng New York-style cuisine, bisitahin na ang bagong food hall sa isang mall sa Taguig.
I'd like to invite everyone to come visit us here at the SM Aura 5th floor. So come over and see us, and then we'll have a good time.
Wow, bringing New York to Manila City. Napakasosyal naman itong food hall na to. Matry nga yan this weekend.